We are going to try and turn our $66 into a big amount by using a strategy that I'm about to teach you in this video. This strategy can work in QUOTEX, export option, or any trading platform that you are using, as long as you're following my instructions. So make sure you watch the whole video so you can fully understand the strategy. But in this video, we are going to use the QUOTEX trading platform. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that our chart type is in a candlestick and the time frame is 1 minute. And for the indicator, we need 3 custom moving average and RSI. So let's make the first moving average. Open your indicators tab, click moving average, and change the period to 21. Change the SMA to EMA, make it color red and 2 pixels. Now let's add the second moving average. Period is 13, EMA, color blue, 2 pixel. And for the third moving average, period 9, EMA, color green, 2 pixel. Now we are going to add our last indicator, which is the RSI. And we are going to change the period to 5, and the overbought, we are going to choose color green. And that's it. Okay, now let's add some currency pair. By the way guys, this strategy can work on OTC and normal trading days. So let's choose some OTC currency pair to get that juicy payout percentage. Okay, so let me explain the strategy of these indicators. These indicators gives 2 kinds of signals, weak signals and strong signals. Let me find a good signal so we can trade, then I will explain. Okay guys, we found the signal. This is an example of a weak signal. If the 3 moving average is moving in the same direction, which in this case they moving down and the RSI touch the red line, then it means the market is going down. Now it's a weak signal, but we are going to take the trade and of course on down or put. Okay, I think our first trade is a win, so let's find another signal so I can give you more example. Oh, I think this one is going to give a strong signal here. And there it is guys, an example of a very strong signal. The 3 moving average touch each other and the RSI is touching the red line for a while now. It's a strong indicator that the market will go down soon, so let's enter the trade. Okay, that's another win. Let's find another signal to trade because I want you to fully understand this strategy. Okay guys, another very strong signal. Just like our last trade, the 3 moving average touch each other and the RSI is below the red line. So again, we are going to trade on down or put. Okay, that's another win. Let's find another signal. Okay guys, we found another good signal. The moving average is going up and about to touch each other, and the RSI is in the green line already, so we are going to enter the trade. Okay, we won the trade as expected. Let's find another signal. Okay guys, we found another very strong signal. The 3 moving average touch each other and the RSI is about to touch the green line. The market is going up real soon, so let's enter the trade. Okay, that's a win. Let's trade for one last time. Okay guys, I found a signal. The moving average is going downwards and about to touch each other, and the RSI is past the red line, so this is going to be a very strong signal soon. So let's enter the last trade of $1,000 and let's see. Okay guys, we won. So from $66, we managed to turn it into $2,200 just by using this strategy. It really works guys, and I think that's it. I recommend you to watch the video again to fully understand this strategy, and you can practice it in your demo account. Thank you for watching and stay safe.